Yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's equivalent to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm working, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, oh, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home to you. And if I broke, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's going over you.
Hi, I'm Abby Nilsson, and I'm this year's Utah FFA State President.
I'm JW Silcox, and I'm this year's State Vice President.
I'm Hallie Short, and I'm this year's Utah FFA State Secretary.
My name is Axel Street, and I'm the Utah State Treasurer.
Hi, I'm Cassidy Gilbert, and I'm Utah FFA's 2025-2026 State Reporter.
Hello, my name is Chester Parrish. I'm the 2025-2026 Utah State FFA Sentinel.
This year's Utah FFA theme is Together We Cultivate. We hope that as we kick off an exciting chapter visit season, that we will be able to cultivate our leadership skills together. When we visit your school, come prepared to listen, learn, and engage.
We're on our way.
I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. When I go out, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home with you.
Disclaimer, we do not condone dangerous driving.
With you.